I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 33 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is an insect. So I've got this. A fragment of a story or poem. I've got this from a Reader's Digest book. A body of water. I've got this. A piece of paper with a coffee ring. I've got this, or stain. I've got this coffee dyed paper and I just added in the rings there. And a pair of something. I've got a pair of eyes. And the bonus is a handwritten signature and I will sign it at the end. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right then. Let me grab a glue book. All right, let me see here. I'm going to first put down, this is just coffee dyed tissue paper. So I'm going to put that down. Well, it's not a whole lot going on. We've gotten rain a couple of days this week, or this past week, I should say. And let's see how I'll lay this out. Okay, I like that. So let me get this down. Yeah, we've gotten rain, but it has made it very, very humid. Last week, or the week before last, it actually had gotten kind of nice for August in Mississippi. It was still hot, but it was pretty comfortable. The humidity was low. That's the thing, you know, you can get the same temperature like here in Arizona, but the heat is totally different. I guess because we're on the Gulf. Even though we're quite a few hours from the Gulf. All right, got that. And I've got my insect. I've already inked everything. And I'm just gonna sign my name. Susan Gazaway. All right. Now I want to add some splatters. Find my water. This is going to be a very quick one. I could drag it out by what y'all watching me ink and stuff. Let me know if you want me to do that. All right. There we go. Let's see what we have. Make sure we have everything. We have got an insect, a fragment of a story or poem, body of water, a piece of paper with a coffee ring, a pair of something, or eyes, and the bonus is a handwritten signature. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP33 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.